way a bit.
Are you gonna open it?
Yeah, because I like it. Bottom top.
You need to make sure you put your trash.
Here it is.
Are you keeping the box?
Yeah. Just want to keep the box. Mommy, it's just like it's real. It's real. It's like it's real, but it's a toy. It's just a toy. It is.
Big fella right here with you.
And we have Maxine. We'll keep it in the box. That's him. Right there. He's parked like that. Mommy, look at bad news. He's parked like that.
Say how often I will.
Mommy, can you get a video? Mommy, can you get a video of my son?